Hello, this is Chef Yves Vacheresse and I'm here today to show you how to make a walnut crusted chicken. Healthy food with a crust. We begin by dipping our chicken into flour, and we're using unbleached flour. The flour can be seasoned if you don't have a problem with salt. If not, you omit the salt. We then dip the chicken in buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, you can use yogurt thinned out with milk. Now, why are we doing the flour first and the buttermilk second? Simply so that the milk, the buttermilk that is, can stick to the chicken. If we were to do it the other way, we wouldn't have as nice of a crust. Make sure that you shake it so that there is no excess buttermilk on the chicken. And then finally in the walnuts. Now, walnuts are ground very fine, almost flour-like. And we use walnut A because it is actually quite good, but B is also because it is an excellent source of omega-3. And omega-3 fats are very, very good for your health. In fact, you have a lot of omega-3 in fish, but if you don't like fish, you can eat walnuts. So I put it in a pan. The pan has had a little bit of oil spray on it. So you want to cook it for just a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes at most, until it has a golden color. This is just as it should be, and when you have it at that color, you just simply put it in the oven. I have some chicken here that was already cooked in the oven. It was cooked for anywhere between 6 and 12 minutes. And you check the doneness of the chicken by pressing your finger on it. It needs to be slightly springy. If it is still soft, that means that it needs more cooking. Just a little trick. We're going to now slice our chicken. And we are slicing it at an angle so that we have a nice presentation. Just nice thin slices. And we like to serve this chicken as is, or you can serve it with caramelized onions, which I mentioned in a previous episode were incredibly versatile. And we have it presented here with steamed broccoli. You can use any type of vegetable. Bon appétit. And remember, you'll eat better when you bring the healthy cooking show into your kitchen.